Now, some in Memphis are having a tough time on the roads as well. WRG's Caitlin Barker joins us live. And Caitlin, I know when I was coming into work, there was snow all over the roads throughout downtown. We can see some of that snow right behind you there. What's the city planning on doing to clear it?
Good afternoon, Shay. That's the million-dollar question. What can the city do to clear these roads? And I can tell you firsthand that while we were driving over, they're actually working. We saw plows out trying to clear this snow on the ground. So they are working, but as you can see on the roads, they're still covered in that heavy snow that's hard to drive in. Now, the city of Memphis says they began treating the roads with brine on Wednesday and are receiving 50 additional tons of salt from the Tennessee Emergency Management Agency. Scott Morgan with the city's Public Works Department says the strategy for tackling the snow on the road now is plowing it and then following up with salt in priority areas within the city.
Shelby Drive, Winchester, Austin P, Jackson, Poplar Union, Sam Cooper, things like that. So those routes were designated on traffic volume, as well as connectivity to the interstate. So, we wanted to make sure, the majority of the citizens could get to these high volume, high lane count streets and then able to, be able to make their way to the interstates, as well as connectivity to the hospitals.
Now, even though the roads are being treated at this time, driving is not ideal, especially under these conditions. So if you don't have to leave home, stay inside if you can. I'm Caitlin Barker reporting live for your news leader, WREG News Channel 3.